Julian Orin Flores, 23 from the city of Manila.
Binibini 2, Mary Anthony Manalo.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Joanna Romero, 24 from Naga City.
I am Carol Shaw, 25 from Pangasinan. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Hannah Marie Salagero, 21 years old from Mandaluyong City.
Annabel Christine Gonzalez Diaz, 25 years old, Osamis City.
Ngayong hapon sa inyong tanan, my name is Aiza Valdonia, 24 from Sulan, Sultan Kudarat.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pia Alonso Wurzbach, 24, Cagayan de Oro City.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joy Antoinette Diaz, 22, Dagupan City.
Good afternoon, Shauna Inga Salina Aliguyon Fortunata Current, 22, Cordillera. Hello, everyone. I am Laura Liman. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Makati City.
First can be store, exit sila.
Closer! 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 Closer!